Number 75. How many molecules of the sweetener saccharin can be prepared from 30 carbon atoms, 25 hydrogen atoms, 12 oxygen atoms, 8 sulfur atoms, and 14 nitrogen atoms? Okay, and here is what saccharin looks like. So the first thing that we have to figure out is what is the chemical composition of saccharin. I see that I have all these carbons and hydrogens and sulfurs, so let's just find out how many we have of each. Let's go in order as what they told me, okay? Because it kind of makes it a little easier. So for saccharin, saccharin, how many carbons are there? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 7 carbons, right? Okay, so I know that I need 7 carbons. Let's go on to the next one. The next one they said was hydrogen, so let's just count that out. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hydrogens. Doesn't look like I'm missing any, so I need 5 hydrogens here. Let's move on to the next one, oxygen. So I see an oxygen here, 1, just scanning, 2, 3. So I got 3 oxygens. Okay. Next one is sulfur. I only see 1 sulfur here, so I'm just going to say 1 sulfur. And then nitrogen, I just see 1, right? Yeah, I don't see any more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just checking the hydrogen again. Okay, so we have 1 nitrogen. Okay. So now let's write down everything that they gave us. All right, so we have 30 carbon. We have 25 hydrogen. We have 12 oxygen. We have 8 sulfur and 14 nitrogen. Okay, so now we want to find out how many molecules we can make. Well, if these are all the requirements in order to make 1 molecule of saccharin, I would have to subtract all of this from what I have. So let's give it a go. If I want to make 1 molecule of saccharin, I need to subtract all of these from what I got. Let's see. So from the whole thing, I'm going to subtract 7 carbon. I'm going to subtract 5 hydrogen. I'm going to subtract 3 oxygen, 1 sulfur, and 1 nitrogen. Now, if this can work, that means that I could successfully make 1 molecule of saccharin. Let's see. 30 minus 7 is 23 leftover carbons, okay? 25 minus 5 is 20 leftover hydrogens. 12 minus 3 is 9 oxygen. We have 7 sulfur and 13 nitrogen. Okay, since we have no negative values and we still have leftover amounts, I could make another molecule. So as of right now, I have made 1 molecule of saccharin. So maybe I'll just say 1 mole. Now, if I want to make another molecule of saccharin, and this is the requirements, I got to subtract again. So let's do it again. Let's see, is the second one gonna be the one that's not gonna be, maybe we'll only make 1 mole. Let's see. So I have to minus 7 carbons, 5 hydrogens, 3 oxygens, 1 sulfur, and 1 nitrogen. Let's see, is it gonna break the bank? 23 minus 7 is 16. Okay, leftover carbon for that. And maybe I'm just gonna drop this down just so that it doesn't get in the way. Now since we know what we're dealing with, right? 20 minus 5 is 15 hydrogen, so still good there. 9 minus 3 is 6 oxygen. We got 6 sulfur, and we got 12 nitrogen. Okay, we are good to go. We have all positive numbers, which means that the second molecule I could have made. So I'm just going to say I make another molecule. So now I have a total of 2. Let's do it again. So I'm going to subtract another round. 7 carbon, 5 hydrogen, 3 oxygen, 1 sulfur, and 1 nitrogen. Is this the one? Let's see, 16 minus 7 is 9. So 9 carbon. 15 minus 5 is 10 hydrogen left over. 6 minus 3 is 3 oxygen. 6 minus 1 is 5 sulfur. And then we have 11 nitrogen. All positive numbers still. Okay, we're on it. So that means that we could have had 3 molecules of saccharin. So here's another one, right? So right now we're at 3 molecules of saccharin that could have been made. I'm just going to maybe push this over, I guess, right? Because we're kind of coming in here. Just kind of want to, right? Okay, let's do another round. So minus 7 carbon, 5 hydrogen, 3 oxygen, 1 sulfur, 1 nitrogen. Coming down to the wire. Let's see. 9 minus 7. I have 2 remaining carbon. I have 5 remaining hydrogen. I have 0 oxygen. I have 4 sulfurs, and I have 10 nitrogens. So since I'm down to 0 and not a negative, technically this made it. So I'm down to now 4 molecules, right? Because of the collection of these, I can make 4 molecules. But can I go further? No, I can't, because oxygen is out. I have no more oxygen to make up these 3. So that's the answer, guys. Technically, oxygen, since it was used up the fastest, or first, oxygen is the limiting reactant. And how many molecules of saccharin could you have produced? Only 4. So 4 molecules could have been made. And that is your final answer. Okay, not bad. Guys, what do you think? Hopefully this helped. Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for viewing the video. I really do appreciate you guys. And let's keep studying hard. Good luck on your tests and quizzes. And yeah, I'll see you in future lessons. And if you want to help us out, please press the subscribe button and tell your classmates. All right? I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.